Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Yes. Please leave me one little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. And if you know a video what you want me to do, drop it in the comment section. Alright? Now my peeps, we're gonna make some Jamaican fry fish escovitch. Yeah, that's the fancy word, you know what I mean? So a Jamaican fry fish around here. I have two bad boys and I'm gonna clean them up and then we're gonna season them up. Simple seasoning. Alright my peeps, so just get a piece of paper towel and dry them up. I cut this part off but I leave this part, just make it look like see a fish, okay? Alright, so just dry them up nicely. Alright, and then I'm just gonna put two cuts on it, slant it a little bit, okay? Something like that, not too much. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of my blended seasoning in the middle. I have some onion powder. If it can't come out, just put it all over, okay? Some garlic powder. Make sure it go up in the head part, right? I have some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. You don't want to overdo it because fish takes the seasoning well. Make sure you season up in the head part. This is my Jamaican fish seasoning. Alright, about a teaspoon on it. And this is my paprika, guys. This paprika I have here, I'm just gonna put a little bit, about quarter teaspoon, not much. Okay. Oh, black pepper. Where black pepper? Forgetting the black pepper, guys. Can't forget black pepper on fish. Make sure you put it right down in there. Okay. And that's it. So what you want to do now, use your fingers and go ahead and work it. And that's it. All right. Let's start to put some oil. Oh, it's oil I use already, guys. I think I fried some dumpling with it. I'm gonna put quite a bit of oil. Put some garlic. I'm gonna let that burn in the oil a little bit. All right my peeps, I think my oil is hot and you want to set this bad boy in. Ooh. And the next one I'm gonna put like that. You want to keep your stove at medium to high, not low, okay? You want them fried crispy and nice. So we're gonna let this golden brown. Give it a few minutes well to fry up until it's golden brown. Fish don't take long to fry, so you want to give it maybe about 5 to 7 minutes on each side, and you can flip them over. Once you can move the fish like that, they're not stuck, so you're good, okay? So just let it fry up. And you see I put enough oil so it can kind of cover at least half side of it, okay? All right my peeps, I'm gonna turn them over now, okay? All right guys, there it is. All right. and my stove it's at 7.5. All right guys, and see, once the fish moving in the pot, it's good. All right, not sticking at all. See, okay. I'm gonna give it about a minute or two more, and that's it. All right, drain off excess oil. See that? I'm gonna put it over here, and you want to make sure all sides are fried. Okay guys, see that? All right, and there you have it. Fry fish ready. All right guys, let's grab the fish. I'm gonna set them slant, something like so. All right guys, see it, both sides are done. I think I want to set one upside down, something like that. I made some escovitch sauce or some fry fish sauce, or I sauteed some vegetable, however you want to call it. I have some in a jar, and I have some here. All right, I will leave a link for this one. Whichever one I post first, I will leave the link. All right, I don't like to put the water on the fish. Okay, so drain off excess water, and you're gonna put it all over it. The whole works in it. And that's it. And this is it, my peeps. Yes, this is my Jamaican fry fish, escovitch fish. And these are some snappers. All right guys, some snapper fish. All right my peeps, I will leave a link to my saute sauce or veggie. All right, you have a good day. Yes. I start to eat it already. I just want to show you how nice and soft my fish is, guys. So although I fry and I dry out, okay? Watch for bone, alright guys? Have a good day. Bye.